Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 50 rainbow light waves photo overlays. These are in JPG file, and here is 50. All files are same resolution 5000 and 3500. In high definition are HQ, mean high quality. Wow, you adjust your image here. Amazing. Wow. So I have some photo from web. For example, I drag this file on Photoshop, and you see here resolution is 5000 and 3500 pixels. Open this photo. I tell you, just for example, depend your own self, you can do better. 1000 canvas, and here enter screen. You see, or you can change color. Select remover tool and hardness is 27. You see here, you can do more better. I apply any other overlay, delete this, and here for example use this or this. I think this is better. Enter screen, and you can do more better. So I have next like this. These are okay. You can do more better. Simply or change color, press U, select this, and then press U, and you see the color. Okay, now so here is our photo. Like this. Enter. Or depend your own self, you can do more better. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.